So a big part of digital marketing and even the social media landscape has to do with networking and collaboration. So when I was a kid, I absolutely loved playing street basketball. Every day I would get out of school, and it's something I look forward to is play basketball in the neighborhood. We have our regular neighborhood kids in my cul-de-sac. There's about 4 or 5 to choose from, and we play pickup all the time. And we would play hard and we would try to beat each other up. What I started thinking is, hey, how about I start riding my bike outside of my neighborhood and start reaching out to other kids in close by neighborhoods. So what happened is I started having the winning team when we played pickup basketball because I was recruiting new skill sets. Every time I ride to a different neighborhood close by, there was new talent. I watched for kids that were playing hoops that were good. And I recruited them. Hey, why don't you ride your bike and join my basketball team? And then I started demolishing my cul-de-sac team because they only had a handful to pick from, but here I am connecting with people outside the neighborhood. So when it comes to social media and digital marketing, stop looking at people as competition or, hey, this lead is not good because they don't have the money to pay for my services. Or, hey, why should I connect with them because they have nothing to do with my business? But the thing is, opportunity comes from the more people you network and connect with. That's what social media is designed for, building out relationship. It might be a relationship that's not even interested in your service or can afford what you're offering, but guess what? They might know someone that really care about what you have to offer. And when you can start changing your mindset and stop looking at your competitors as competition, but as potential opportunity to collaborate so that you can do things bigger. And stop looking at leads that aren't qualified as people that you don't want to have a coffee with, because guess what? They might know someone. So build friendships, build relationships, and as you expand your network, eventually it will pay for itself.